Good morning everyone. My name is Advika S. Nair. Today is 26th January and we are celebrating Republic Day. This is a very special day for all Indians. We love our country very much and we feel proud to be Indian. Thank you.
वे तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था.
My name is Haya Senenbar. Today is 26th January. At first, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Republic Day is the national festival of India. The Constitution of India came into force on 26th January 1915. Republic Day teaches how to live in unity and peace. It is a very important day for Republic, every India's. Thank you all.
Good morning. My name is Ashwita. I am studying in 2B. Every year we celebrate the national festival of Republic Day in India on the 26th of January. First Republic Day was celebrated on the 26th of January 1950 by all the Indians. Republic Day at New Delhi for 3 continuous days. The Indian power, including the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force, participated in the process. Thank you. ഇതെന്റെ രാജ്യം ഇതെന്റെ മാതൃരാജ്യം ഞാൻ പിറന്ന മണ്ണിലേക്ക് സ്വർഗരാജ്യം മതേതരത്വത്തിൻ പുണർന്നിടുന്ന ഭാരതം പെരുമയും പൈതൃകത്തിൻ നാടിതല്ലോ ഭാരതം എന്റെ സ്വന്തം രാജ്യം എന്റെ ജീവൻ
है दिल की आरज़ू.